The video sets the stage by declaring the 2025 M8 Competition Coupé as BMW's ultimate performance grand tourer. It poses the key question: is this the pinnacle of power, speed, and luxury, or merely overkill? The tone is enthusiastic and exploratory, clearly focused on whether the M8 deserves its lofty reputation. Powertrain and performance: 617 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0s. Engine: under the hood, a 4.4L twin-turbocharged V8 pushing out a jaw-dropping 617 horsepower, 460 kilowatts, and 750 Newton-meters of torque, higher than a standard M8. Acceleration: the reviewer clocks 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, confirming BMW's claims. Quarter-mile runs match factory times: 10.7, 11.2s. Top speed: electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but can be unlocked up to 189 to 190 miles per hour with the optional M-Drivers package. Drivetrain and handling: equipped with BMW's rear-biased M xDrive AWD and adaptive suspension, it offers impressive balance of traction and agility, though it's more GT-focused than agile like a smaller sports car. Driving experience and dynamics: on-road feel: drivers describe the M8 as towering performance and precision handling, yet larger and heavier than rivals. Turbo response: it's praised for near-zero lag, with seamless power delivery and a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. Modes and configurability: multiple drive settings allow easy toggling between soft commuting and aggressive track modes, even a pure rear-wheel drive drift mode borrowed from the M5. Exhaust note: the M8's exhaust is loud and satisfying, even more so when switched to sport mode, though some reviewers feel it's electronically enhanced. Design and exterior presence. Styling: the review showcases a muscular stance, aggressive front splitter, flared wheel arches, M-specific alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, especially with the ultimate carbon pack, and quad tailpipes. Visual impact: described as intimidating and meaty by passing onlookers. Interior and technology. Cockpit: the cabin is laden with luxury, sports seats with red stitching, carbon trim, an M-specific steering wheel, and a crystal gear selector. The crystal is replaced in the competition model. Infotainment: next-gen iDrive 8.5 on a curved digital display, though it lacks Android Auto. Features: includes massaging seats, Bowers and Wilkins audio, voice-activated assistant, and a full suite of adjustable driving and chassis modes. Comfort and practicality. Ride comfort: despite its performance focus, the M8 remains comfortable during daily driving. The adaptive suspension smooths out bumps well. 5. Interior space: comfortable up front, but the rear seats are cramped. Longer-legged passengers will likely prefer the Grand Coupe. Fuel and emissions: EPA rated around 15 miles per gallon city, 22 mpg highway, and CO2 emissions in the mid-200 g/km range, expensive to run. Competition and value. Rivals: positions itself against the AMG GT63, Audi RS7, Porsche Panamera Turbo S, Lexus LC500, and Mercedes-AMG SL, often out-accelerates rivals and undercuts Porsche on price. Buyer's perspective: many analysts call the competition version worth it for the added power and exclusivity. Edmunds scored it highly, 8.1/10, highlighting its mix of performance and comfort. Weaknesses and criticisms. Driving feedback: some mention the steering lacks tactile engagement compared to purer sports cars. Interior lag: the infotainment runs on slightly dated software, and some advanced driver aids are optional rather than standard. Rear seat limitations: the rear quarters are tight. Kids are okay, but adults won't be comfortable on long rides. Final verdict: the video reviewer concludes that the 2025 M8 Competition Coupé is a tour de force, a blend of supercar-level performance with luxury GT comfort. It launches like a rocket, boasts curb appeal, and delivers refinement. It's not meant for track day tracksters, more for high-speed grand touring. And with its impending discontinuation, last coupe models made in 2025, there's a bit of sentimental urgency. Why it matters? End of an era. The M8 Coupe is being phased out after 2025, making it the last V8-powered two-door BMW coupe. Collector appeal. Its rarity and farewell status boost its appeal among enthusiasts and collectors. Summary table. Attribute. Highlight. Engine. 4.4L twin-turbo V8, 617 horsepower, 750 Nm. Performance. 0 to 60 in 3.0 s, 155 miles per hour, 189 to 190 miles per hour with package. Handling. Adaptive AWD, drift capable, agile for its size. Comfort. Plush on road, though firm in sport modes. Interior. High-end luxury, minor infotainment drawbacks. Competitors. Underprices Panamera and AMG GT. Outpaces them in straight-line performance. Weaknesses. Heavy, less engaging steering feedback, cramped rear. Legacy. Last of its kind, a collector's GT powerhouse. Final take. The YouTube review celebrates the 2025 M8 Competition Coupe as one of BMW's most impressive Grand Tourer creations. It can dominate drag strips, cruise in supreme comfort, and even drift, all while wrapped in eye-catching design and high-end luxury. The few downsides, steering feel, infotainment quirks, rear seat tightness, aren't deal-breakers. As the final V8 two-door M Coupe, this M8 isn't just a performance icon. It's a swan song, a collector's gem, and likely one of the most complete GTs BMW has ever built.